Welcome to a day in the life as a LILA student. Today is a Friday and I have 2 free periods in the morning. I mostly worked on my extended essay that I'm doing in English. Now we're in art, and this is usually the day where we do like written stuff like research, but we finished our projects for today, so now we're just doing studio art. And this is my art project in progress.
This is my art project. It's a portrait of my sister made out of triangles.
Hey, I'm working on building a city.
Now we're in math and we're doing review for our test.
Hey guys, we just had our math review. Now we're off to lunch.
Off to lunch. I have an EE meeting, extended essay meeting, and yeah. It's fine. Now we just finished English class and now we are going to history. Last period of the day, we have French. Yeah. Yay.
Free periods, we have the option to go outside, so leave campus, or just study outside in the main yard, and I'm choosing to go out right now. So for FE students, we are currently in Mr. Wilner's English class, where today we're presenting our poems, our Sylvia Plath poems that we had to analyze. So we are now in the final period of our day, where half of the class has physics and the other half doesn't have class because they're not taking physics, and we're just going to see what it's like in here. This is the lab where we have all of our science classes in. Right now, what are we doing, guys? Physics. Yup. Okay. Well, my day's over, so I'm gonna go get changed for soccer practice and then we'll head out.
We are going to soccer practice after school. We're on the athletics bus right now. Catch you later.
Hey everybody! Girls high school versus girls middle school. Who will win?
Hey guys, instead of math class today, we got to participate in an impromptu USC research group.
Hey guys, that's the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed our day in the life. Bye! Bye.